We are in our Halloween attire to determine if this is a trick or a treat. It's October. The Lurella box is now $35. Did we get $35 worth for a nice treat? Or did they just trick us? Let's find out. We start off with two facial masks, lemon and honey. This is a bit of a trick if you ask me, because we already got these earlier this year. Yeah, and I just started this box this year, I believe it was January, February. So to get repeat masks already, I'm not saying they're bad masks, I'm just saying a repeat already? Also in the repeat department is a glitter eyeliner, and it's in the same shade. I wouldn't be irked if it was a different shade. That would make perfect sense. But I wound up with the same shade. This is Dreamer. I'm not going to open it up because I'm going to decide what to do with this one. I was gifting the other one. I'm not a big eyeliner person, which that's my preference. But the fact that it's the same shade, this box might be a bunch of tricks. Maybe so. We might be moving into the treat department. This is kind of too stinking cute. It's a puff in the shape of a ghost. This is cute. The puff is on this side, and then there's a space here where you can slide your fingers. Help me out, Fatima, please don't eat this. Slide your fingers in, and you've got a nice, soft, silicone-like puff to take care of whatever needs puffing. And we got two of them. We got one in white, and the other one is over here, still in its package. It is black on the other side for the puff. I gotta admit, those are cute. And just when Anne was in need of a charging cable, they sent a charging cable. That's timely. Yes, that's definitely timely. We had our ESP going on that one, I guess. This is this is $12 on the Lurella website. It has 3 options for the one end, and then a big option for the other end. So it should work with a variety of devices. I like the color purple. And so that was a nice treat. And like I said, I was in need of a new cable. Cables don't last forever. They always seem to split. Ugh. So we've got a cable for however long it will last. Perfect timing. We got a coin pouch, or a little pouch that could hold coins and more. This definitely looked interesting. It's a plasticky, made to look, I don't know if you want to call it leather or alligator, one of the two. A nice opening at the top, and inside there is a divider. I don't know if that's going to show up or not, but inside, on half of it, you can put your ID and your credit card, and on the other half, you can put whatever else you need. There are 2 zippered pockets in the front, big enough to hold a house key and some coins or whatever else you need to carry around. It has a very nice little clip there on the front, so it could clip to something. Personally, I would clip this if I just wanted to go out without a bag. I would clip this to the front belt loop of a pair of jeans. And then I've got what I need right there clipped to me and in front of me. What they sent with it has me kind of scratching my head. Oh yeah. So you get this long strap with clips at the end, and I was trying to figure out, well, you know, maybe the intent with this was to have it be a belt bag with that clipped to it. Could work. Apparently, it's a cross-body bag, and this is the part here where you're supposed to clip that little pouch, and then they sent other accoutrements. And so at the bottom of this contraption, these two little hooks, you're supposed to clip your phone to it. They sent things for clipping the phone. I don't want, or need for that matter, to have my phone clipped to a strap and then hanging down around and smacking against, I don't know, my hip, my leg, my waist, my middle, whatever. That, no thank you. Not for me. The little coin purse, hey, I'm going to hang on to that. This, I don't know. It's probably going to go sit in a corner and collect dust till I finally throw it out. Maybe I'm just too much of an old fuddy-duddy. I don't want my phone flapping around, hanging off of me. What do you think? Let us know. Would you want your phone hanging off of you? And the pricing on that, it was $18, but it's on sale for $11. Next, we have two nice brushes. I'm keeping them packaged up just because I want to at least keep them nice. I might put them in a future giveaway or use them as a gift. The holidays are sneaking up on us, aren't they? Yes, they are. Two nice brushes. I did notice that weighted-wise, they seem a little heavy towards the front. Next, we have a mango lip balm. This is Paradise Pout Lip Balm. It is in the scent Mango. Unfortunately, it leaked a little bit, but they had it in a plastic bag. So no, it wasn't a plastic bag. It was a hard plastic covering. Anyway, they had it packaged so that what leaked stayed to this. It didn't get all over everything in the box. It looks like it's still okay. I'm not wild about having to dip my fingers into any type of lip balm or lip product, but I'm thinking maybe that smaller brush might be a way to try this. I did try a little bit with a spatula scoop. It's good. Yeah, I tried it too. It's very nice. It smells like mango. It almost tastes like mango, but it really doesn't. You're not supposed to eat the product. Yeah, I know. So, all things considered, it worked out okay. So this I'd given at least 4 stars to. Maybe 5, but probably 4, because you got to stick your fingers or something in it. Next up is a glazed wand stick. I think this might be something new on their website. I could not for the life of me, because it doesn't say anywhere on here what it is. So I had to look it up. And then when I did look it up, I did find in itty bitty little print the word. What word did I find? I know I found a word. I really do. I did. I found a word. Oh yes, I found the word bibbity. And I'm trying to decide if this is right side up. I'm not sure which way is upside down or not, but it said bibbity. Like, oh, okay. So I looked it up because it still didn't tell me what it was. Apparently, and like I said, I think this might be something new for their website. I could be mistaken. This is an $8 item. It's for cheeks body, face, and eyes. So it's a multi-purpose item, a multi-purpose stick. I don't know that I would do eyes if I'm doing body, but at least it's not lips. I don't like to do lips and eyes with the same product. But I think it's designed to be multi-purpose in that it can be an eyeshadow or a highlighter for your face or a highlighter for your collarbone, whatever. What I did notice is Bibbidi on their website is a maroonish color. And when I opened up mine, it was a gold color. So I'm wondering if the reason we got it is things got mislabeled. That could be a possibility. That it could. The gold shade is Princess, in case anyone is interested. This is called Duo Lock. It's in the shade 07 Love. Neat idea. You get a liquid lipstick. I like the color of that. It's not too light and it's not too dark. And of course, I'm guessing that it will be a little bit lighter in application. That's one side of it. The other side is a clear lip gloss. I can do this without blinding everybody. To go on top of it, if you desire. Hey, that's pretty neat. Yeah, I was impressed. That was a nice treat. No tricks here. And then we have a palette. A nice pumpkin palette. There's no mirror, but that's okay. Sugar and pumpkin spice. Just in time for Halloween. This is a $20 palette and it's already up for sale on their website. And I get to do swatches. Here we go. The camel will now do some swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I enjoy swatching. Anne has decided that her top three are the Mango Lip Balm, the Two-Sided Lippy, and the palette. What did you see that you liked? Let me know down below, because I'm an inquiring camel. I want to know all the details. What did you see that you didn't like? Let us know that one too. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. Was it a trick or was it a treat? What do you think? For $35, the price has gone up. Okay, the price went up $5. Everything is going up in price, and that does not surprise me. We still get free shipping. Can't knock that. It's unfortunate that we don't always get the guarantee of a monthly eyeshadow palette, but what can you do on that one? Was this box worth $35? Yes, we think it is. You're supposed to get 5 to 7 items. We got more than that this time. So there was more. Overall, it is a good to great value. There was a lot of variety in the box, a little something for everyone. We're a little bit miffed about the duplicates. It seems that we just started this box at the beginning of the year and there's already duplicates. What do you think? Overall, I think it was a good box. We just kind of hit the little hiccup there with the duplicates. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine. We have fun things coming up for the Advent season and for Halloween, for spooky season. Hope to see you in another video.